So if you didn't know, the DJI Action 2 has a magnetic front. And the company Freewell capitalized on that and created filters just for it. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short, product review. All right, Freewell does have a few different options for filters. In the standard day 4-pack, there are 4 filters. You get the ND8, ND16, ND32, and a CPL. You have to put it on just right for the magnets to work. These will come off with any kind of easy force, but generally speaking, they do stay on. And if you're a bit confused about what each of these are, well, that might be a longer video, but I can give you the gist of it. Filters are designed to do a few things. Like with the CPL, it eliminates unwanted glare from reflective surfaces like water, snow, glass windows, and it also improves color and contrast enhancements. ND filters are like adding sunglasses to your lens, and the higher the number, the thicker the tint. So with an ND8, this lowers your shutter speed by 3 f-stops to help capture realistic sharp images in partially cloudy daylight conditions. ND16 drops at 4 f-stops to help balance the image and capture sharp footage in normal daylight conditions. ND32 decreases the shutter by 5 f-stops to help capture sharp and vividly colorful images, making it look more cinematic. This also helps you get motion blur to your footage. Here is an example with no filter, and then if we add the ND32, you can actually see the motion blur on the road. And this ND list can go on and on up to ND1000, which is in fact slowing it down 10 f-stops for that long exposure on really bright days. And if you want to capture something with motion like a waterfall to make it look like this, and other pictures like that. The next package is the Bright Day 4-pack 4K series. So you get the ND8, ND16, ND32, and ND64. With all of these filters, they actually added the option to add a polarizer to them. So when they're on the lens, you can just adjust it by spinning the filter to add the polarizer. But there we go. I just wanted to share these cool Freewell products for the Action 2. Check out Freewell's website because they also have custom filters for the GoPro and a lot more accessories. So I'll put the links down in the description, plus a surprise link. And thanks for joining me on another short, not short, maybe a little bit less short product review. And I'll see you on the next one.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.